Today is the day I show you guys how I make the coils in the controller, but before I do that, I've got to install these modules, and before I can install the modules, I got to flip this switch. To expand this controller to its absolute maximum stations on a conventional system, we're going to install this PCM 1600 module that gets us another 16 zones, and as you can see, sets us up at 23 zones. Now that I've got these installed, let me go ahead and coil a few wires for you. This is going to 1, so I know it's going there. I've measured to my right side here where I want to start my coil. I get my screwdriver in here, and then I just coil the wire around my screwdriver, like so. And then I can connect my wire to the zone port number 1. Take my wire for zone number 2, the red wire, and do the same thing. And that's how you coil the wire. All right, now that I've got the controller all wired up, we can start working on the junction box down here. Get all that wired up so that everything up here will work.